In industries where heat and flames are a constant risk, having the right protective clothing is essential for safety. Fire-resistant clothing not only protects against burns but also provides peace of mind while you work in hazardous environments. With numerous options available, it can be challenging to find the right gear. In this video, we will explore the 7 best fire-resistant clothing items designed for safety and protection. Each product has been hand-picked based on quality and effectiveness. Let's jump right in. Number 1. Prepared Hero Emergency Fire Blanket. First up is the Prepared Hero Emergency Fire Blanket, a must-have safety item for any home or workplace. This blanket is made from high-quality fiberglass, designed to extinguish small fires quickly and effectively. Measuring 4 feet by 6 feet, it provides ample coverage to smother flames and protect against heat. The blanket is lightweight and compact, making it easy to store in kitchens, garages, or vehicles for quick access in emergencies. The Prepared Hero blanket features a simple pull-down design, allowing for quick deployment when every second counts. It can be used on various types of fires, including grease fires, making it versatile for different situations. This blanket is also easy to clean and reusable, which is a significant advantage over traditional fire extinguishers. Moreover, the durable construction ensures that it can withstand high temperatures without compromising its effectiveness. The bright color and clear instructions printed on the packaging make it easy to locate during stressful moments. For anyone looking for a reliable fire safety tool, the Prepared Hero Emergency Fire Blanket is an essential addition to your safety gear.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Number 2. Fullsheild FR Flame Resistant Face Mask. Next, we have the Fullsheild FR Flame Resistant Face Mask, an essential piece of protective gear for those working in high-heat environments. Made from flame-resistant materials, this mask provides excellent protection against sparks, flames, and harmful particulates. Designed to fit snugly over the face, it covers both the mouth and nose, providing a barrier against airborne hazards. The mask features a breathable design, allowing for comfortable wear during long hours of work. It is lightweight yet durable, ensuring that it can withstand the rigors of daily use without compromising its protective qualities. Additionally, the Fullsheild mask is designed to be easy to clean, making maintenance a breeze. One of the standout features of this face mask is its versatility. It can be used in various applications, including welding, metalworking, and firefighting. The adjustable straps ensure a secure fit for different head sizes, providing reliable coverage. For anyone working in hazardous environments, the Fullsheild FR Flame-Resistant Face Mask is a vital piece of safety equipment that offers both protection and comfort. Number 3. Lincoln Flame-Resistant Cloth Welding Jacket. The Lincoln Flame-Resistant Cloth Welding Jacket is an excellent choice for welders seeking maximum protection. Made from high-quality cotton fabric treated with flame-resistant chemicals, this jacket is designed to withstand the intense heat and sparks generated during welding. The durable construction ensures longevity, making it a worthwhile investment for professionals in the field. This jacket features reinforced stitching and double-layered fabric in critical areas, providing extra protection where it matters most. The long sleeves and high collar offer full coverage, safeguarding the neck and arms from sparks and heat. Additionally, the jacket has adjustable cuffs, allowing for a secure fit that prevents exposure. Usability is a key aspect of the Lincoln jacket, as it is designed with the worker in mind. The lightweight fabric allows for ease of movement, which is essential for those who need to perform detailed work while welding. The jacket is also machine washable, making maintenance simple. For welders looking for a reliable and effective protective solution, the Lincoln Flame-Resistant Cloth Welding Jacket is an outstanding option. Number 4. Bocomal Welding Shirts Flame Resistant. The Bocomal Welding Shirts Flame Resistant are designed specifically for welders who demand safety without sacrificing comfort. Made from a blend of flame-resistant cotton and polyester, these shirts provide excellent protection from sparks and heat. The fabric is lightweight and breathable, making it suitable for long workdays in demanding environments. These shirts feature reinforced seams and a comfortable fit, ensuring that they hold up against the rigors of welding. The long sleeves offer full arm protection, while the button-up front allows for easy wear and removal. The stylish design makes them versatile enough to be worn outside of work as well. Functionality is another highlight of the Bocomal shirts. They come with pockets that provide convenient storage for tools or personal items, enhancing usability. The flame-resistant properties are durable and long-lasting, ensuring that the shirts maintain their protective qualities even after multiple washes. For welders looking for a stylish yet functional option in flame-resistant clothing, the Bocomal welding shirts are a great choice. Number 5. Viking Fire Retardant Reflective Jacket. The Viking Fire Retardant Reflective Jacket is designed for those who work in high-risk environments where visibility is just as crucial as protection. Made from durable fire-retardant fabric, this jacket offers excellent protection against flames and heat. The reflective strips enhance visibility, making it suitable for both day and night use, particularly in low-light conditions. This jacket features a comfortable fit with adjustable cuffs and high collar, providing additional protection against the elements. The lightweight design makes it easy to wear for extended periods, ensuring that you can focus on your work without feeling weighed down. The inner lining is soft against the skin, adding to the comfort level. The Viking jacket is also equipped with multiple pockets for easy access to tools and personal items, enhancing usability. It meets various safety standards, making it a reliable choice for those in construction, emergency response, or any field requiring fire protection. If you are looking for a jacket that combines visibility, comfort, and safety, the Viking Fire Retardant Reflective Jacket is an excellent option. Number 6. Just-in-Trend Flame Resistant High-Vis Coverall. The Just-in-Trend Flame Resistant High-Vis Coverall is perfect for professionals who require full-body protection while maintaining visibility. Constructed from high-quality, flame-resistant materials, these coveralls are designed to shield the wearer from flames and heat effectively. The bright colors and reflective strips ensure you remain visible in low-light conditions, making them suitable for outdoor work. These coveralls feature a comfortable design with a relaxed fit, allowing for easy movement while working. The durable fabric is resistant to wear and tear, ensuring that they last even in demanding environments. The coveralls come with multiple pockets, providing ample storage for tools and personal belongings, making them practical for various tasks. Usability is further enhanced by the zippered front, allowing for quick changes and easy access. The flame-resistant properties are designed to last, ensuring the coveralls maintain their effectiveness after repeated washes. For anyone in need of reliable, high-visibility, fire-resistant clothing, the Just-in-Trend Flame-Resistant High-Vis Coverall is an ideal choice. Number 7. Ticomela Flame-Resistant Cargo Pants. Last but not least, we have the Ticomela Flame-Resistant Cargo Pants, designed for those who need reliable protection without compromising on style. These pants are constructed from high-quality flame-resistant fabric that meets safety standards, ensuring that your legs are protected from heat and flames during work. The Ticomela pants feature a cargo design with multiple pockets, providing ample storage space for tools and personal items. The fit is comfortable and allows for a full range of motion, which is essential for workers who need to move freely. Additionally, the reinforced knees offer extra durability, making these pants suitable for various demanding tasks. The breathable fabric keeps you cool during long hours of wear, while the adjustable waistband ensures a secure fit. These pants are also machine washable, making maintenance straightforward. With their combination of functionality, comfort, and safety, the Ticomela Flame-Resistant Cargo Pants are an excellent addition to any worker's wardrobe. And there you have it, our top 7 picks for the best fire-resistant clothing designed for safety and protection. Each of these products has been selected for its quality, durability, and effectiveness in providing a safe working environment. Investing in the right fire-resistant gear is essential for anyone working in high-risk situations. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more product reviews and safety tips. Stay safe out there.